When people work affects when tasks can start and how long they take. A project calendar defines the working and non-working time for your entire project. You can also set up additional calendars to define other work schedules, like part-time, work shifts, or different hours on different days. The first thing to do is to set up a project-wide calendar. So to do that, on the Project tab, click Change Working Time. Now, Project comes with a calendar called Standard, and it's set up Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. with an hour for lunch. You can see that here on the right side of this dialog box. You can also tell that Standard is the project calendar because it says so in the For Calendar box. The Work Weeks tab has a default work week. You can see what the hours are by clicking Details. And here you can see it says Details for Default, so you know which work week you're looking at. And if I select Monday through Friday, you can actually see in light text the 8 to 5 with an hour for lunch. But for now, we'll leave it the way it is and click OK. Later, we'll step through setting up work weeks and working and non-working time in calendars. The best approach with calendars is to actually copy this standard calendar. That way you can keep the one that came with Project and create one specific to your project or your organization. So to do that, click Create New Calendar and give a name. In this case, we'll create one for the project. And you can see that the option Make a Copy of Standard is already selected, and that's just what you want. So click OK. In this case, we just looked at the work weeks. We didn't make any changes, but we'll click Yes to save that. So now that we've created this Office Reload calendar, we want to apply it to the project. So close the Change Working Time dialog box by clicking OK. And on the Project tab, go to Project Information. And the Project Information dialog box opens. Now, in the Calendar box, click the down arrow, and you can choose the new calendar, Office Reload, and click OK. If I click Change Working Time, and go back to the Change Working Time dialog box, now you can see that the Office Reload is the project calendar because it says Project Calendar in parentheses. Later, we'll cover assigning calendars to resources and tasks. Calendars tell Project about your projects and resources' working and non-working times. They're one of the keys to keeping track of how long tasks and your entire project will take.